Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can disable any MCP server in Google Antigravity. So if you wish to disable any MCP server in Google Antigravity, simply follow these easy steps. So the first thing that we're going to do is simply launch our agentic bar right here. So if you wish to launch the toggle the agent, simply press the shortcut that is Control Alt and B, or alternatively you can click onto this button right here and it will launch your agent. Now, once you have launched your agent, click onto these three dots just beside the close button for agent and choose the second option, that is MCP servers. Now it will show you a list of all the available MCP servers, and those which have been installed will show this installed sign. So let us click onto this option, and from here I will show you how you can disable it. So from here you can see this enable tag. Simply click onto this drop down arrow and from here choose disabled, and now you can see that this MCP server has been successfully disabled. So that's how easy it is to disable any MCP server in your Google Antigravity. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. Have a nice day.